Girls, see all the windmills?
Look at the windmills. Day 3 of our Indiana travel vlogs, and we made it to Lake Michigan. We are here at Indiana Dunes National Park. We just pulled up, but it's like lunchtime already, so we found like a little picnic table with some shade. So before the kids get all like sandy and dirty from the water, we're gonna let them eat lunch first, and then we'll head down to the beach. What do you think, Lex? They're pretty. You guys gonna go climb on the dunes?
Yeah.
Where should we put our beach tent? Maybe this big spot over here?
Joey in it.
I'm pretty sure that's Chicago that you can see over there from across the lake. That's really neat. I love it. It's really pretty. This is my first time coming to Lake Michigan. At least this side of it. I've been to Chicago before, but it looks nothing like this. The kids want to go climb up on the dunes over there in a little while. The girls got their sand toys.
My sand toys.
Found a seashell?
You found a juice shell.
Let me see.
What kind of shell is
Oh
it?
my goodness. It's a tiny little one. What is it?
A seashell.
A seashell?
Now
Lexi Lou, what are they doing to you?
We're burying her alive, Mom.
Oh my gosh.
Is it nice and warm now?
Are you warmer now? Lexi said the water was cold. She's warmer now.
Took a flag and Mount Joey.
We need to stick a flag.
Now it's Joey's turn.
Get a flag. Come on, Dad, when do we need the water? You want me to start trying to get out? No, we still have to pour the water.
No, you gotta put the water on first and then you try to get out.
I won't be able to.
Whoa, whoa.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Get the water here slowly.
Sandcastle! I'm pouring some! Ben, can you just hold your hand over my eyes? Ben, no!
Michaela,
What?
don't splash.
Everybody, hurry up and put some
so
more Santa! Now mix!
Careful.
Push more sand off.
Joey, are you okay? Can you breathe?
Barely. Very hard. Can I get out now? Are they getting more water? Oh, they're getting more water, Venus. Guys, it's waking up.
Okay, ready? Sing your song.
Monster, monster, come alive. For the time we count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Monster alive. Oh God!
Monster KK. Go, Michaela.
She got it. Guys, what the?
Is your leg stuck? Where's your leg, KK?
Oh, she got that. Love it. Monster.
I'll chase Paisley and Lexi.
Alright, here I go. And me.
We're making it. We're making it, Joey. Come on, Pace. What, honey? You just slide back down. Come on. Oh my gosh. Ah!
Oh, I hurt.
Paisley's rolling down the dunes. Come on, Lex. Where's your shoes? You got them? Don't lose your shoes. Everybody's having snack time.
Except for you, Mom.
I did. I had my peanut butter crackers.
I'm done.
You're already done? Okay.
You grab some
You want something else? Some Cheetos? No thanks.
Goldfish? Don't have any of them.
No goldfish?
Joey's got goldfish.
Ooh, can I have one?
Are you done with everything else you have?
That one.
It's like chocolate.
Like chocolate. Looks like a chocolate bar.
Yeah.
We're gonna chase him. Aww, he flew away from you. He's trying to get your sand toys, Lex. He might fly away with a flip-flop. Now she's cleaning up all her flip-flops and her sand toys because she doesn't want the birds to get the flip-flops. Lex, I'm just teasing. He's not gonna run away with your stuff. I don't think you could carry that. You just don't want to. You don't want to take any chances, huh? Okay, Lex. Okay, Lexi. Lex. I think that's good. We got all our stuff in the tent now. Honey, he's not gonna get it. I was teasing.
I want our purple frisbee.
Well, go get it.
Our purple one.
Okay, it's a good thing because I think he almost had it. It is much later in the day. We're basically closing down the beach today. Since this is our one and only beach day, we're pretty much just staying all day. Kids are having some sand time now. I think we're pretty much done swimming for the day. Starting to clean up and dust the sand off everything and get ready to go back to the house. What do you think, Kenny? Was it a fun beach day?
Yes, it was a very fun beach day. Yeah, it was fun.
The water's really cold.
Very cold.
The water's really cold because it comes all the way from Canada, doesn't it? Doesn't Lake Michigan go all the way up to Canada? These Canadian waters, they're not for us.
When it doesn't help that it's like
it's only like
not really
80 degrees. Yeah, it's only like 80 degrees today.
You gotta get re-acclimated to it every time you get in.
Yeah, Lexi was really not about it. She was in the beach tent playing sand with me a lot of the time, which was perfectly fine with me because then I could sit and read some of my book.
You didn't have to get in the cold water.
And I didn't have to get in the cold water. I don't like getting my hair wet anyway, so. Okay, beach day is done. Bye, beach. We'll see you again next year.
Ice cream.
Ice cream time. Okay. We're getting Joey's ice cream.
Only Joey's though, nobody else's.
Joey. Hi, Joey.
Only me.
Only Joey gets ice cream. The rest of the kids are bad.
Take that back. Take that back.
Drive-throughs and eating in the parking lot. That's the quarantine life.
You, Lola, and Joey, and you.
What are you talking about, Sassy?
What are you talking about,
Take
Pace?
that back. Us four get it. You three don't get it.
Don't get what?
Leave us parents behind. Leave the parents behind.
Where exactly do you think you would go with leaving the parents behind?
We will walk to the moon.
That is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. It helps channels like mine to grow, and stick around because tomorrow we're going to the Indianapolis Zoo. It was so amazing. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. I will see you guys again next time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.